I'm just doing a small repair on this cuckoo clock surround. You see there's a leaf and a bit of a branch that sticks out that side that's broken off. Unfortunately there's another branch there which goes around the back of this, which is glued and nailed on, so that won't come off. You see it goes around the back. So you can see where it's been broken off, so I'll clean those up and got them flat. And I've cut a piece of oak to fit it, and it's got to fit perfectly before I glue it on. What I normally do is I'll cut the middle bit out first, glue the thing on, then I'd cut out the outside bit and then carve it. But because this is in the way, I've got to basically do most of it before it goes on. I can carve the leaf, but the branch has to be finished because there's just no access for it. I don't think I need to do any more shaping until it's on. I think I can just about get round it. I'll use the piece that I cut off to help clamp it on. I've used this fairly coarse burr just to sketch the thing out to start with, and then I'll go to using the hand tools to finish it off. that's the carving completed. I just need to put a bit of colour in it now and a bit of polish. So that's that one finished and stained up. It looks okay. It's blended in all right with everything else. I do have another one in, which is this. Has the same problems. This is missing on both sides on this one, but it's going to be easier to do because it doesn't have this piece on the front. That's actually missing, so I need to make a copy of the one that I've got, shrink it down a little bit to make it fit. This branch is here as well, so I've only got one join to make when I'm adding that bit of branch and the leaf. There's also a little bit of that leaf missing as well. It's been broken off, so I need to splice that in and recarve that.